In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share team updates in Confluence. Quick setup. If you need a fast, reliable way to keep everyone aligned, there are two simple methods you can use right away. Creating and sharing a page and using @mentions. I'll walk you through both, plus a quick tip on combining them for maximum visibility. First, create and share a page. Start by drafting a page for your update. Keep the title clear and specific so people instantly understand what it's about. In the body, include a short summary at the top and any relevant details or links below. When your draft is ready, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. A panel will appear where you can enter the names, groups, or email addresses of teammates who need to see the update. This is great for targeting a specific project team or an entire department. You can also add a short message before sending, use it to highlight the purpose of the update or a key deadline. Then, send the invite. Everyone you've selected will get notified and can jump straight into the page. Before we continue, if you need quick access to Confluence, I've placed a link right at the top of the description. Open that to sign in or learn more about the platform while you follow along. Next, use @mentions to call attention to your update. Inside the page or in a comment, type the @ symbol followed by a teammate's name. Choose them from the list that appears. This triggers a notification for that person, so they'll see the update quickly. You can mention multiple teammates in the same update, ideal for flagging actions to different owners. Keep your mention concise and action-oriented, like @Alex, please review the timeline by Friday. It's a simple way to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Here's a pro tip. Combine both methods. Publish a page for the full, detailed update, then use @mentions to highlight specific items for the right people. This keeps your communication structured while ensuring critical tasks and decisions get immediate attention. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective. Create and share a page to broadcast the full message, and use @mentions to reach the right people at the right time. If you found this helpful, check the link at the top of the description to jump into Confluence and start sharing your updates today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick setup guides. Thanks for watching.